So Piktochart allows you to create essentially like a brochure style presentation. So with this, I went for like a sleek look that kind of like has this easy flow to it. And so within the Piktochart, you can see just like on the left side, I just have like tips and tricks to make it like easier and then more details about it. So this is like kind of just to like challenge the person who's wanting to learn about meal planning. And then I also embedded a video down here that people can watch in order to just like get some more detail on it. So this is one that people would use if they aren't necessarily looking for like a lot of detail in how to meal plan, but just like a couple like little tips or tricks to get them started. And then if they feel like they do need more information, they can either watch this video or they can go somewhere else. And then the nice thing about Piktochart is that it has a lot of like different images and things to just like really pull the reader in and just like really grab their attention and keep their attention the entire time.